need them to call me back.
Okay,
I've met with them live. I know when I'm going to be calling them back, and I'm going to get a voicemail.
What do you need from them when they call you back?
I need them to book the move, but I need them to know that I followed up. Sometimes people...
So what do you say when you call
them? I am calling to follow up, but you're telling me not to do it. So
no, what do you say?
Well, until today or 2 weeks ago, I should be saying, does it make sense to schedule the move for you? That's what I should be saying, not the word follow-up.
Yeah, and do you know why they want to move?
I do know why they want to move because of you. I've been into the portal. That's the...
Yeah, so give me an example. Just make one up. Why do I want to move?
To be closer to family.
Perfect. So we had a meeting, and now you're calling to follow up. Instead of saying, I'm calling to follow up to see what your thoughts are, see if you have any questions on the move. Hey, Ian, Matt Easton here with Easton Movers. Calling to see if it makes sense for us to book the move so we can get you over to Sacramone, closer to your family. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Guys, we're making it too difficult and I'm not saying this to you, Ian. It's a great question. We make it too difficult. We're putting too many words in there, right? Do you have any? Calling to see if it makes sense to book the move so you can. You knew what my so you can was. Maybe it's my brother had an God, I don't want to. My brother's just fine. I don't want to make sure my brother had an accident, whatever. But so you can be closer to your brother, you know, as he does his rehabilitation with his knee from the skiing thing, whatever the reason is, right? You know the reason. So calling to see if it makes sense to blank so you can blank. And then not if you have any questions, just I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. And say mobile if you're calling from your mobile. Why? So they can text you. Great question, Ian.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends. And it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends. And you can close more business. And I'll cover all the cost. See you there.